Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
There we will build it back. Maybe back to where it was. I'm just we'll work it out and we'll discuss it. Don't worry. No, I know that this is a very difficult moment for all of you. But something that was not in the control of anybody. It's an accident that happened. What's very important is that our students are okay and nobody was harmed. But it is a great loss, I'm sure, to the school, and I can only imagine how sad and how emotional all of you are right now. But I just want to tell you that we are all with you. We will ensure that we rebuild this together. We will get the design done. We will rebuild it together. I told your principal also that immediately from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I'll be releasing 1 crore to the school account so that we can maybe start the work. And after that, from the government side, we will give all the necessary help to ensure that we're able to rebuild the school. So keep faith. Okay? I know it's a difficult time. It's the moment you all need to be together. You have to have faith in God, you have to pray, and He will definitely bless us. Okay? We will all, as I said, we will all do this together. You are not alone in this. We are all with you, whether it's the community, whether it's the leaders here, whether it's the government, and even at the individual level, I'm also there to help in every possible.